Once you're ready to set up your review site, go to namecheap.com to register a domain name. Now, your domain name could include the word reviews in it so that people know that it's a review site. For example, it could be softwareproductsreviews.com if that domain is not already taken. Or it could be datingguidereviews.com. Okay, and once you get a domain name registered, you're going to want to host that website. So go to hostgator.com. That's what I currently use. And now, if you cannot afford it, you could try to go for free hosting by going to 000webhost.com. Okay, and once you have your site up, you can install WordPress using HostGator's one-click install. Okay, um, now if you're not using HostGator or if they don't have a one-click install, you could also go on YouTube and watch some video tutorials that teach you how to install WordPress. And WordPress is a very powerful tool that allows you to easily create beautiful and professional looking sites. Okay, so once you have WordPress installed, you're going to want to shop around for a WordPress theme to basically structure your site and have it and give it a more professional look. For a free theme, a popular one is called Responsive at this URL right here, wordpress.org/themes/responsive. Okay, and this is what it looks like right here. Just click on preview